Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn some important questions regarding to the upcoming exam. So let's start. Which is the biggest dam in India? Answer Bhakra Nangal Dam. Friends, Bhakra Nangal Dam is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Question 2. Which is the longest river in India? Answer Ganga. Ganga is the longest river in India. Question 3. Which is the largest lake in India? Friends, Wular Lake is the largest lake in India. Friends, this is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Question 4. Which is the longest expressway in India? Friends, longest expressway is Agra Lucknow Expressway. Next question, which is the highest waterfall in India? Friends, highest waterfall in India is Kanchikal Fall. This waterfall is in Karnataka. Next question, which is the tallest statue of India? Friends, tallest statue of India is Statue of Unity. This is located in Gujarat. Next question, which is the largest national park in India? Friends, largest national park in India is Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, which state has the largest forest cover in India? Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in India. Next question, which is the longest national highway in India? Longest national highway in India is NH44. NH44 means National Highway 44. Next question, which is the highest mountain in India? Highest mountain range in India is Kanchenjunga. Remember friends, Kanchenjunga. Next question, which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. Friend, if you're liking this video, please subscribe. Next question, which is the largest fort in India? Largest fort in India is Chittorgarh Fort. This is located in Rajasthan. Next question, which is the longest beach in India? Longest beach in India is Marina Beach. Friends, Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Remember, Chennai. Next question, which is the largest island in India? Answer, Majuli Island. This is located in Assam and this is the largest river island. Next question, which state has the longest coastline in India? Friends, Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India. Next question, which is the longest bridge in India? Longest bridge in India is Dhola Sadia Bridge. Dhola Sadia Bridge. It connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, which is the longest tunnel in India? Longest tunnel in India is Jawahar Tunnel. This is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, which is the longest dam in India? Longest dam is Hirakund Dam and largest and biggest dam is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Remember friends. Next question, which is the highest gateway in India? Highest gateway in India is Buland Darwaza. It is in Fatehpur Sikri. Next question, which is the largest desert in India? Answer, Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. It is in Rajasthan. Next question, which is the highest gallantry award in India? Friends, highest gallantry award in India is Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra. Next question, which is the largest delta in India and world? Largest delta in India and world. Friends, its answer is Sundarban Delta. This is located in West Bengal. West Bengal. Next question, which is the highest award in India? Highest award in India is Bharat Ratna. Highest award. Next question, where is the highest airport in India? Highest airport in India is in Leh Ladakh. Next question, where is the highest tower in India? Highest tower in India is Qutub Minar. Sorry friend, where it is where not where it is which is the highest tower in India? Qutub Minar. Next question, which is the largest museum in India? Answer, National Museum. National Museum is the largest museum in India. It is in Kolkata, West Bengal, Kolkata. Which is the largest cave in India? Largest cave in India is Krem Liat Pra. Next question, which is the largest state by population? Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state by population. Next question, which is the largest lake of saline water? Largest lake of saline water is Chilka Lake.